Hello everybody, my name is TJ Manager. This is our third tutorial, electronic tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the multimeter T13W0H to measure a resistance value. Firstly, I would like to connect my terminals. I'll put my positive, since I'm going to measure my resistance, I'll put my terminal and the positive terminal. I'll put the negative terminal. You see, I'm gonna measure my first useful resistance. You see, it is connected. We want to find out, but I guess it's around more 120 because this is the useful. Then we turn our. Remember, when you are measuring your resistor, we are using this pattern from 200 up to 200 mega ohms. Remember, resistance it is measured in ohms. It's like, so now we're gonna turn our switch to, I think our resistance cannot be more than, but if you don't know the value of your resistance or the limit, you can turn from, let's start from here to see if we'll get some values. Like, you see, our resistance is 90, remember to pause, 97.5 ohms. This is our first resistance. Like, so we're gonna go to our next resistance, which I think it's a little bit similar to our first one, like, which is, to see, usually it is brown, gray brown, which is ranging from 180.3 ohms. So we're gonna go to our next resistor, which I think it's gonna be totally different from this one. You see, this is our resistance, which is brown, black, green. It's totally different, so you have to turn our switch. It's too big. I think it's gonna be somewhere like, it's too big. That is wall. Is 0.97 mega ohms. This is a huge value of a resistance. So we're gonna go to our third resistance, which I think is gonna be the second last resistance. This one is orange gray. Can't get any value, or it's 32.4 kilo ohms. 32.4. Remember, it's between 20k. It's between 20k and 200k. So let's go to our last resistance. I think it's gonna be like, it's gonna be, you see, it's 3.22 kilo ohms. I think guys you have learned something today. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I think if you like my videos you can subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Remember, it's our 4th tutorial. Ciao.